Hello everyone, let's dive into the GOPIE White PC case. This case is designed for those who want to showcase their build with a clean, modern aesthetic. The first thing you'll notice is the dual tempered glass panels, offering a near 270-degree view of the components inside. It really puts everything on display. The case supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, from mini IDX all the way up to extended ATX, providing flexibility for different build preferences. It's a full tower case, so there's plenty of room to work with, making the building process smoother, especially for beginners. Cooling is a key focus with the GOPIE case. It comes pre-installed with 4 PWM RGB fans, which not only keep the system cool, but also add a vibrant touch of color. The case is also compatible with a 360mm radiator, ideal for those who want to push their CPU or GPU to the limit with liquid cooling. The bottom-mounted power supply design helps to isolate heat and improve overall airflow within the case. The white color gives it a sleek and premium feel, and the tempered glass panels are well made. Cable management is decent, with enough space behind the motherboard tray to keep things tidy. Overall, the GOPIE White PC case is a solid option for anyone looking to build a visually appealing and high-performance gaming rig.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.